Welcome back, Taylor Cooks. Look at this. Look at this. Fabulous. And potatoes and eggs, earths, eggs, and hang on. Pineapple. What could possibly go wrong? Cue that music. So let's have a quick look at what we're doing. Let's get these out of the way first of all. There's our pineapples. These are our garden peas, which we're going to have with it later. Potatoes, which I need to cut into chips. But what I really want to do is to get this cooking. So this is an unsmoked gammon joint. It's just to cut these into slices like this. So there it is. There's our gammon. We're going to get that cooking straight away. This looks brilliant. I'm going to put a bit of salt on that. We're going to put that straight into the oven. So our gammon is now cooking. Well, it's just got into the air fryer. And let's get some of these chips underway. So, double fried chips in lard. And we're going to cut them about, you see that, about ½ an inch thick. Chips in for the first part of the frying. Okay, these are ready for our second fry. Leave them to drain, put it onto full. Get a bit of salt on straight away. It's nice and crisp.